Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to lock camera. So as example, I will create new cube objects and in it you can scroll down here to zoom in and I will create for the new camera by using create camera from view. So we have this perspective one camera and I will create again like an orbit and click view create camera from view. Now, if you see, we have this camera option, and you also can move into the perspective one camera by using panel. Go to stroke selected. So we have the camera here, and you can click here. Use the move tools to move the camera. And if you want to lock this perspective to camera, you can move to the stroke camera view. Click panels. Click stroke selected and then you can go to view, click lock camera. Now we'll go back into perspective one camera, use the look stroke selected, and if you select this camera, perspective two, it will be automatically locked. So that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to lock camera.